good evening if you are in the eastern, and afternoon if you're in the west. Here at the office, we've continued the bomb cyclone outlook, or the disturbance formation area, for another few more hours, because we have confirmed that nor'easter frost will not be developing. If it is still developing, but will not be named until more later tonight or this evening, because the pressure is not at our criteria yet. It is still around Fazic, maybe 995 millibars, but by tonight, before midnight, or around midnight, it should be around 970s and 960 nearly millibars. So we did end up continuing all this red area, or disturbance, and you can clearly see from the next day to 15 days out is all 100% or near it. So this is what satellite is actively seeing as we are continuing for sunset. As that line of thunderstorms, I believe, or whatever, will continue. There's still no spinning stuff like that. So sometime tonight or this evening, nor'eastern frost, or strong nor'easter frost, will be named. And also, if you haven't noticed, we are live on our main channel, as that TV shows up there. That's our live stream up there. SPC Lake Effect Tracker WX. Go check that stream out. Sub to that and this channel as well. Next update will be around 8 o'clock tonight, or around 11 tonight. And perhaps an outside video. So the current time as this is being recorded is 5:12. That'll be 5:13 right now. And next update is once again 8 o'clock or 11 p.m. Eastern tonight, and whatever time zone you convert that from Eastern to whatever time zone, like Central, Mountain, Pacific, whatever. Anyways, we will be back on that update and perhaps an outside video. Sheesh.